My name is Alex, and I'm going to show you how to make a monogram in Photoshop. So I'm going to pick a text that I really like first, and I'm going to put my initials. I'm going to zoom in. And the thing with a monogram is that when you're making it, usually the middle letter is bigger than the first two. So I'm going to pick my font. I'm going to use something a little bit fancier. Let's see, let's try that one. Okay, that's perfect. So then what we're going to do is take the middle letter and just bump it up, and then take the other two letters and bump them down. And then I'm just going to space. If you want to add something fancy, you can go ahead and go to your custom shape tool. You can add one of these little guys. Like so, and then I'm just going to copy it, flip it, and you're done. My name is Alex, and this is how you make a monogram in Photoshop. Thank you.